Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
Question number 17. Which command can be used to load data into an internal stage? I will give you a few seconds to decide on an answer. If you need more time, please use the pause button. And the right answer to this question is copy. Now, it is possible that some of you may have chosen put, and I understand why you would have chosen put, but you need to see that the question talks about loading data. And whenever it is loading data, it is the copy command. If the question says upload files or copy files, in that case you can choose put. Otherwise, you need to use the copy command. Now let us jump into a demo to check if we can use the copy command to load data into an internal stage. I will begin by using the target database. The next step for me is to create an internal stage. Subsequently, I will list the files inside the internal stage. As you can see, there are no files in the internal stage. Obviously, there wouldn't be because I just created the internal stage. Now that the internal stage is created, what we can do is that we can unload data from a Snowflake table into the internal stage. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, I use the copy into command to load data into an internal stage called internal underscore stage from the customer table. Let's verify that actually files are there. As you can see, actually we see files in the internal stage. So coming back to the certification question, which command can be used to load data into an internal stage? The right answer is the copy command. With that, we conclude this video.